You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words and names, including from beauty products that many get confused by. So how do you say it? In English it is said as Cologne, Cologne. Now this is a word from French, said as Cologne, Cologne, but in English, Cologne, Cologne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.